In order to improve the raw material storage and distribution capacity, Hero Intelligence provides automatic warehousing and logistics system solutions for a large domestic solar photovoltaic equipment enterprise. For different materials, the combination of mini-load and pallet AS/RS, high and low locations with the rational use of storage space, improve the efficiency of inbound and outbound operations. Combination of single deep and double deep aisle, single unit load stacker, dual unit load stacker are used combination improve storage efficiency and reduce storage and transportation costs. Seamless docking between workshop and warehouse, using an invisible fork arm AGV system to achieve unmanned distribution of raw materials on the production line. Intelligent warehousing system carries out unified management of all kinds of intelligent equipment, seamlessly connects with enterprise SAP, updates, and feeds back relevant data in real time, realizes transparent visualization of business flow, information flow, and logistics, and provides relevant support for enterprise decision-making.